Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're gonna explore the pool a little bit at the Bellagio and show you what you should never order when you're at the pool, whether it be at the Bellagio or anywhere else in Las Vegas. So as you look over this menu, something that jumps off the page to me and should for you is the price of the small drinks. So you're gonna pay $1.67 an ounce for the small drinks, which is always a mistake. So if you're going to be enjoying more than one drink at the pool, always better to just go for the big one from the start. So 32-ounce drink is going to only cost you $34, which is $1.06 an ounce. So after you enjoy your 32-ounce drink, of course you're going to be hungry. You're probably going to order what looks good is the popcorn chicken. It's always overcooked, it's never worth it, and it's 22 bucks. You're going to be disappointed. So I know this was a quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Click the like button, turn on your notifications, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.